you attempt to connect your smartphone to Wi-Fi. It detects many access points, but none that your phone can connect to. Everyone must have had this type of experience. Many of these access points are private wireless LANs. It is estimated that the 23 wards of Tokyo have approximately 20 times as many wireless LANs installed as are required to cover the area. If everyone could securely share these wireless LANs, access to the wireless network would become a lot easier. NTT Access Network Service Systems Laboratories has devised a method of sharing private wireless LANs. A blockchain-based wireless access sharing technology. This technology utilizes blockchain secure features to enable communication contracts between individuals to allow secure sharing of wireless LANs. First, the system recruits users and access point providers and registers their contract information in a blockchain network. When a user wants to access the wireless network, they detect and list access points available at that location. The user then sends the list and his or her digital signature to the blockchain network via a public network. The blockchain network authenticates the user based on a digital signature. At the same time, it examines previously registered information about the listed access points, selects which access point to use, and approves a communication contract. By going through the steps just described, the communication contract is concluded with high security. The user gets access to the wireless LAN, and the access point provider gets a fee. An access point is selected as follows. Suppose there are several access points operating under the same conditions. Initially, the communication fee for each access point will be the same. When a communication contract is established, the fee for the access point with the most connections is raised, and the fee for the access point with the least connections is reduced. The next user contracts with the access point with the lowest fee. After that, the communication fees are adjusted again. Repeating this process will equalize the numbers of connections across all providers. Since this prevents congestion, high communication speeds are maintained. Thus, a situation optimal for both users and access point providers is created naturally. When this technology becomes widely used, users will be able to connect to various wireless access points securely. Access point providers will be able to earn communication fees. Society as a whole will benefit from the reduction in radio equipment, radio resources, and energy. This technology will enable the following services. In urban areas, people anywhere will have access to wireless communication using only shared wireless LANs. In areas where public wireless access is not of good quality, people will be able to enjoy comfortable wireless communication using wireless LANs shared by individuals in stores. In local shopping streets, where installation of public Wi-Fi has been difficult, shops will be able to offer customers the use of shared wireless LANs. In areas crowded with people, secure wireless communications will be possible without the need to input an SSID and password. NTT Access Network Service Systems Laboratories will study both the technical and institutional aspects of this technology to rapidly realize its deployment for commercial use.